1974 Ford Ranchero. This vehicle is emblemed as a Ranchero 500. If you would like to take the VIN number and do a VIN number verification, there it is. We have no clue. Rancheros are not our strong point. No reason lying about it. We've had several over the years. We've had quite a few El Caminos, but this is a pretty unusual bird. This was part of, not to sound like a broken record, a lot of our videos recently are from a local private collection. This is one of them. Why'd he buy a Ranchero when he had $100,000 cars? Well, I guess maybe he just got bored, because a lot of the stuff he has was unusual. But at the end of the day, this is a pretty cool car. Probably more cool now than it was when he bought it 20 years ago. We did have a Virginia inspection done, which scraped off the original inspection, which I think was 20 years old. You can see that the car is pretty solid. We do believe it's had a repaint. We're pretty positive it's had a repaint, actually. But all the areas and the structure are in good shape. No bubbling around the trim. Some dog hair or something right there. Tires are in excellent shape, but I would say they're probably pretty old. Not showing any dry rot currently, but just double check those if you are to buy it. But a very clean, very, very clean car. Body lines are straight. The head of the car is freaking excellent. Somebody's painted it, obviously, but it's not even dented up. Spare tire still in its little cubby hole. Bottoms of the rockers, bottoms of the doors, bottom of the car. Very solid. Tires are all matching. All the hubcaps. Dash is in good shape. This car is one of two 74s. Give you a quick view of this one here. As far as we can tell on this one, it may be original paint, as it is faded. We had a customer state that this paint job was a factory upgrade or some type of factory package, said they had one just like it. I don't know, not much research you can do. That car over there is a small block car. This car here is a big block car. Again, this one is looking to be original paint, or maybe just part of the car repainted. Chromed, what I guess would be factory wheels. Kind of like a GTO wheel. Versus hubcaps on the other one. A little more sporty with a big block, dual exhaust. Also pretty solid. One little bubble, bad spot right there on this car. Looks more like a paint problem than a body problem, but I'm sure there's a little rust under there. Very original interior on this car also. So two pretty cool specimens to be sitting side by side for 74 Rancheros. Got any questions, give us a call. Stop in to view them. This car right here, we have driven almost 50 miles now. It's actually pretty dependable. I would still say it's going to need some love, some attention, but it does run and drive. This one here is starting and moving, but I would not say it's to a running, driving state until the carburetor and the fuel system is going over. Those are on the website, davis4x4.com.